Once you've seen a praying mantis, they won't be difficult to identify. Named for their apparent piety, the way they hold their front legs in front of them, as though praying, these slender, unique insects have many fascinating qualities. Many people will refer to all mantids as a praying mantis, but that identification is not always accurate. The moniker, mantis, technically only refers to a specific genus of the insects, while mantid encompasses the entire group. Put simply, all mantises are mantids, but not all mantids are mantises.